Samajadilu, Namaskar. Here I am Tapati Simha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on Learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Oh yes, I'm very sorry that I couldn't come here for a long time because of my some personal problems. Anyways, let me share today some more new Bishnupriya Manipuri sentences. So be with me till the end. The first one is I can speak in my mother language. I can speak. I means me, can means Paruri, speak means Gujurani. I can speak means me, Gujurani, Paruri in my mother language. My means more. Mother language means Imar Thar. In my mother language, more Imar Thare. I can speak in my mother language means me, more Imar Thare, Gujurani, Paruri. The second sentence, I cannot speak in my mother language. I cannot speak means me Gujurani Nuaruri, can't or cannot, means Nuaruri. I can't speak me Gujurani Nuaruri. In my mother language, already I have told this part. The third one is I love my mother. Me more imare bana pauri. I love me bana pauri. My mother. My means more. Mother means imare. Me more imare bana pauri. I love my father. Me more babare bana pauri. Father means baba. I love my parents. Parents means ima baba. So it will be me more ima babare bana pauri. I means you know that. Me love means bana. My means more. Parents means ima baba. So it will be I love my parents. Me more ima baba re bana pauri. I love my sister and I love my brother. I think you can write these sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri because I have already told this type of sentences before. I love my, you know this meaning. Brother means Beyok. If it is sister, means Bonok. So it will be very easy for you to write the meaning in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many? Koigo. Brothers and sisters. Beibuni. Do you have? Torta ase. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Torta koigo beibuni ase. We are 3. Ami tingo. We means ami. 3 means tingo. We are 3. Ami tingo. 2 brothers and 1 sister. Dugo beyok baro ago bonok. 2 means dugo, brothers means beyok, 2 brothers dugo beyok, and means baro, one sister, ago bonok. We are three, two brothers and one sister. Ami tingo, dugo beyok, baro, ago bonok. I am invited today for singing a song. I am invited means more dahesi. I am invited for singing. Ella denarka. A song. Ella ahan denarka more dahesi. I am invited for singing a song. More ella ahan denarka dahesi. I'm very happy to meet you. I am very happy. Me jobor haro oidu. Very means jobor. I am means me. Very means jobor. Happy. Haro oilu. To meet you. You means tore. To meet means dehiya. To meet you. Tore dehiya. Mi jobor haro oilu. It is raining. Boron porer. Or you can say boron poriase. It is raining. Don't worry. Nahinbe. Or you can say hinnabe. Don't worry. Hinnabe. I have two umbrellas. I have. Morta ase. Two means dugo. Umbrellas sati. I have two umbrellas. Morta dugo sati ase. You can take one. You can take. Ti nena parte. You know that can means parte. You means ti. Take means nena. You can take means ti nena parte. You know that. You means ti. Can means parte. Take means nena. So you can take means ti nena parte. One means ago. So let me conclude today. I think it's very easy for you to learn Bishnupriya Manipuri. At last, I request all of you to save our mother languages. So let us help each other to do that. Take care. Meet you again. Namaskar. Thank you. Habihan Hobaya Thayo. Dhanyavad.